It was Abir's best friend's birthday, and he went to the market with his father to buy a gift for him. Now, when his father bought the gift, the shopkeeper told him to pay 510 rupees. Now, Abir was very surprised. He had never heard such a number, 510. What is that number? Then he saw his father writing this check. So on the check, it was written 510 and 510. So he understood that 510 is the number name of this 3-digit number, which is 510. Now Abir wanted to learn the number names of all the 3-digit numbers. So he had already learned the numbers from 100 to 999, all the 3-digit numbers. Now, what are their number names? We know that 100 is the first 3-digit number with the number name 100, because we have 1 in the hundreds place and 0 in the tens and ones place. So we don't really write zeros. So we write only 100. But what about the number names of the other numbers? For all the 3-digit numbers, there is a trick for writing the number name. It is a very simple trick. So the number name consists of 2 parts. First is the hundreds digit and second is the tens and ones digit taken together. So the first part is whatever is there in the hundreds digit. So we have 1 in the hundreds digit. So I write 100 because 1 is there in the hundreds digit. So 100, and in the tens and ones part I have 00, which means only 0. Now when we have 0, we don't write anything. So I write just 100. Remember, it is not 100s, although this is hundreds place, but it is not 100s. It is only 100. Now what about the number name of this number? So what was the trick? First break it into 2 parts. One is the hundreds digit, which is 1. So I write 100. And what is the number in tens and ones digit? 01. 01 means 1. So I have a 1 in the second part. So the number name is 101. Similarly, I have all the other number names. So this is first part, second part, 1 in the hundreds place gives me 100. 02 means 2. So the second part is 2. Now if I take this, so first part means what do I have in the hundreds digit? 1. So this gives me 100. 06 is 6. This is 1. So 100. 09 is only 9. So I write a 9. So this is how I can write all the number names. Now what is this? First, I write the number name from the hundreds digit. So 100. And then tens and ones digit together make 10, 10. So this is 10. So 110 is the number name of this number. Similarly for the next number, so this one gives me 100. 1 and 1 make an 11. So I have 11, 111. And this is how you can write for all the numbers. So if I take this number, so first part is 100, 100, 1 and 5 make a 15. So 15. So 115, the number name of this number is 115. If I take this number, so 1 gives me 100, 1 8 gives me 18. So 118. So I have the number names till 119. Now what is the number name of this number? So once again I break it into two parts. First the hundreds digit and then the other two numbers. So this will give me 400. So this 4 will give me 400 and 2 7 make a 27. So the number name of this number is 427. So what is the number name of this number? I have 6 in the hundreds place and then these two zeros. So first part will come from 6 in the hundreds digit, which will be 600. And the second part is 0 0, which means only 0. So when we have 0, I don't write 600 0. I don't write anything for 0. So it's just 600. So 600 is only 600. Now what about this number? So I have first part from this and second part from this. So 7 in the hundreds digit will give me 700 and 8 is 88. So I have 88. So this number is 788. Now can you tell me the number name of this number? Well, once again, we break it into two parts. So 900, the first part will be 900 and 9 gives us 99. So the number name of this number is 999. So this is how you can write the number names of all the 3-digit numbers, that is any 3-digit number, by breaking it into two parts. First the hundreds digit and then the tens and ones digit together. So write down the number names of all the 3-digit numbers and practice it with the spellings. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per CBSE, ICSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures on maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve the slightest of your doubts. And that's not all. You can also win exciting prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it is rewarding too. So register for free now.